Welcome to the BQ Can Picafort Hotel in Mallorca. Come with me during this video as I show you around what you can expect in a standard room here in this hotel. I'll show you the amenities on offer and also show you the half-board experience and help you decide whether you want to stay right here in this hotel in Can Picafort.
A little later on in the video, I'll show you what the hotel complex is like and what you can expect in the common areas, as well as within the main restaurant, swimming pool and the nighttime entertainment. But first, let's do a room tour.
So walking in through your hotel room, and I believe all the hotel rooms are identical, you've got quite a long corridor before you get to the actual beds itself. But just to take a few steps back, on your left hand side as you walk in, there's a pretty much near enough ceiling to floor mirror, and there's also a few coat racks there, so you can put a coat if you bring a coat. If you're coming in the summer months, I don't think you're going to have a coat with you. Now moving into the bathroom, and it's quite a fair size. It's a shower unit itself, which is just provided right here. And what you'll find is that the amenities that are provided are from Hierbas de Mallorca. There's shower gel and there's shampoo as well. And at the sink area right behind me, where are we going? Oh, I think we're the... So in the sink area as well, just right behind me there's also soap from the same company, Jabón de Hierbas de Mallorca. And that pretty much is the bathroom. One thing I will say about the shower, that's a very powerful shower. You do have to also be very careful with the heat that you put it onto. It gets extremely hot. But it's a pretty standard shower and bathroom area. One thing that is also provided is a hairdryer in here, and there's also a plug socket, but it's not the 2-pin type that will take electric shavers. Moving further along, one thing that you do not have provided for you is a kettle or any tea and coffee making facilities within the room, but they have provided a fridge as well, so that you can put some snacks, some drinks in there as you come and go. You'll find that I've bought my own water. That's not provided by the hotel. And then these are the beds. So this is a double room, but it's actually 2 single beds that are stacked together. Every single room has this picture behind it. I can say that from experience because I've stayed in this hotel before, but also my sister and my parents are staying in the same hotel. And if we have a look at what we've got next to the bed, we've got a European 2-pin socket, and we've also got a telephone as well. And there's remote control for the small TV, which is directly opposite the bed right there. Each room also has its own balcony, and you'll see that there are 2 seats. There's a table has an ashtray, and there's also a clothes drying rack on each of the balconies as well, which really does come in handy, especially if you've used the swimming pool within the hotel, which is an outdoor pool. So at the sides of the bed, there is also a wardrobe area, and there's quite a few hangers there for putting your clothes, for your shirts and jeans. And also directly underneath that is a luggage rack, so you can put your suitcase. And moving over to the other side, again, more storage space, more storage facilities there. There is a safe in the room, but to use the safe, you have to pay extra to obtain the key, and you can obtain that from the reception.
So let's move on to looking at the hotel itself. It was renovated in the winter of 2014-15, and a lot of the common areas are clean and functional. Each stairwell features some funky looking artwork. The bar area is a good size, very bright and airy. And the bar itself is nice, with a good selection of drinks. But as for the lounge area, I've got to say, it gave me care home vibes. Anyway, we'll return here a bit later for the evening entertainment and see if it livens up during the night time. But now, on to the food selection. I stayed half board during my holiday in this hotel, and both breakfast and the evening meals are served in a buffet. The restaurant is a great size, very light and comfortable, and the staff are fantastic, super attentive. They're constantly coming over to clear dirty plates, and they've always got a smile on their faces. As for the buffet, there are a few made-to-order dishes such as omelettes at breakfast or steaks at dinner, but as mentioned, everything else is a self-serve help yourself. The quality was okay, but not great. Now for the evening entertainment, and there's something different each night. Some nights are just a kids club style thing, but there were a few singers performing whilst I was there. One performing hits from the late 80s and the other a Bruno Mars tribute act. I thought both were pretty decent, but unfortunately the crowd wasn't lively at all. Not sure whether that was just the case while I was there, but the residential home decor is definitely a mood killer. Moving on to the leisure facilities, and the hotel has a nice gym. Quite a bit of equipment on offer, and there's plenty of weight too. Some of them topping out at 25 kilograms, which isn't too bad for a hotel. The hotel also offers spa treatments, and the outdoor pool is a big bonus too, with the pool area being open from 10 AM right through to 6 PM.
So my stay is fast coming to an end here at the BQ Can Picafort. How would I sum up this hotel? Well, you'll see that it's a 4-star hotel. I wouldn't say that it reaches the standards of 4 stars that I'm used to. There's not many of the luxury amenities that you get, but what I will say is that this hotel is more functional and comfortable rather than luxurious. It's clean, it gives big rooms, as you've seen. There's also the balcony that's available with every room. There's also a swimming pool, there's the buffet service, and there's the breakfast buffet service as well, which are well stocked. But the only thing that I will say is the quality isn't always up to scratch in the breakfast or in the evening buffet items. But that being said, this is an extremely reasonable hotel. And to get a half-board experience for the price that I paid in a well-situated part of Mallorca, you're not going to find many hotels like this. So I would give it a solid 3.5, 4 out of 5 for the stay that I had. And I'm sure that you would enjoy it as well. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a like, and also please hit subscribe. It really does help me out. And to help you out, I've also put a few links below to some activities that you can do in and around Can Picafort to really enjoy your stay whilst in Mallorca. I'll catch you soon, but until next time, it's ciao for now.